They have a good to get a buy one get one free. So this is it again. Now Cement coating. So what you put to protect your rims, paint. You can put over vinyl. That way, basically, dirt just falls off. So I got a kit. Decided to try it. We're gonna try on these new rims. You gotta make sure the product that you're putting it on is clean before you use it. Hopefully there's gloves in there because you do need gloves. And then we're gonna go re-clean the rims again and then coat it with this stuff. I know you can't get the product. You can't get your car or whatever you coat wet for like 2 hours. So we're gonna do it now before work, and then we're gonna go to work. Let's head outside. I'm gonna show you guys what you get. You get the bottle of the coating. Again, you don't need to use a bunch. It's just dripping. Pull this out. Get the applicator pad, and you get the little wipes that you wrap around this so you can stroke after you put this on whatever you're trying to coat. And I'm hoping, there you go, yep, that's what I was looking for. And you need a set of gloves. You need to put gloves on before you do this, guys. So actually this is the buffered out. It's the applicator pad right here. Here's what I'm looking for right here. That's the pad that you put over the brush. If you have a flat surface kind of like that, to stroke whatever you're trying to stroke. In this case, we're doing rims, so I'm just going to put the gloves on, dab it on the towel, use my hands so I can rub it in each and every corner. That's what you get in the kit. Again, I got 3 kits. You see this right, you know. Obviously, I'll save one, maybe give one away or whatever. But yeah, this is what the kit looks like. Sealed, all that you get in the kit. So let's go back out, clean the rims again, and let's apply this on the rims. And I guess it'll be the first time for me using it. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, I'll be able just to throw water on it, and all the dirt will fall right off. Because again, these guys see the color of the rims, so we do want to keep them as clean as possible to have the car looking as good as possible at all times. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. I don't know where I'm gonna put this video, but basically it's a parts video. Got some parts coming in. Had to get some hub citric rings for the rims. Had to order some of those, as well as the brakes started squeaking, which would mean that the brake pads are low. So obviously, as you guys know, I have a Willwood customer BBK kit on the front, so I had to get Willwood brakes. So good thing I have a Summit Racing here. They actually have some in stock, so I have to just drive the long ways to get there. I've never been there, so I don't think I'm gonna go inside at all. I already ordered them, so I'm just gonna go pick them up and finally get some brake pads, and then we'll take it back to Auto Signs to get the hub citric rings installed for the rear, as well as the new. Might as well go ahead and just change out the brake pads while we're at it. May also raise the car another 0.25 due to the new rims. It is scraping just a little bit, so it's a little baby raise to quiet it down. So for sure, like I said, I have never been to Summit, so we're gonna head out there, check out this big building, and pick up these pads. I need these pads. I did try to order them online, but like anything, let's crank up the car. Like anything, yeah, nothing's in stock, but they actually have 10 sets in stock, so I just have to drive the ways to get there. So we're gonna head out to Summit, and we're gonna pick up these pads. Yeah, this is Summit right here. This thing's freaking massive, so obviously you gotta go to the front of the store. Yeah, this thing is huge. So I'm gonna go to customer pickup to pick up my product. I don't know where that's at because I've never been here before. Yeah, this is massive. So you're looking for like race parts or whatever. I guess I'm just following the signs. Retail. Yeah, I'm about to say speed bumps are not my friends. These should be fine. Yikes. But alright, let me put up the camera until I figure out where I'm at. How crazy is this, guys? The same rims on the, it looks like, I don't know if it's a Scat Pack, but a Charger that I have on the Z. Same company anyways, look like design. But cool. Alright, this is Summit. You see, huge. I don't see what the customer pickup is, so it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna go in and grab these brake pads. Yeah, there's Summit. So I didn't want to record inside there, so I just took a bunch of pictures. So I'll post the pictures up for certain things. Had a lot of stuff. I mean, it's mostly muscle cars. You see, the parking lot is insane with like old school cars, muscle cars, drag cars, etc. I'm the brightest car here. I have people looking at my car, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is Summit. pretty much end up getting, I need some more detailer. And stuff. Anyways, I ended up getting the front brakes that we need. Here's the brake pads we need to replace the Willwood brake pads. That's the brake number for you guys to get the Honda kit. Brake pads I needed that were out of stock everywhere. And I ended up getting some more detailers. I was actually about to buy, I got some more, obviously, while there was car wash, I need that for the rims, keep these rims clean. Got some more vinyl wrap detailer. If you see, I have some right here, but running low. Keep this thing clean on the daily. So you want to do, keep your wrap clean. And I was about to buy this, but I'm glad I didn't. The streak free for the glass. I'm about to use that and try that and see how good this stuff is. So I'm excited about that. They actually had the whole Chemical Guys, 2 aisles for this Chemical Guys stuff. So interesting. I'm glad I didn't pull the trigger and buy it 2 days ago and wait for it to be shipped. Came down here, saw a lot of cool stuff, but the biggest thing is came all the way down here, get these brake pads. So now we can take the car back to auto science, get the brake pads changed out, and you know, I can't take that squeaking. The squeaking also is an indication that the brake pads are worn and telling to be replaced anyway. So got what, 5,000 since the build, since they've been on since the build, maybe maybe about 6,000 miles on these Willwoods. But again, you gotta keep in mind these are performance brake pads too, guys. So made for both street and use. So who knows? You know, it's not expensive. It was like 52 bucks because I can't pick it up. This drive was longer, but definitely need them. And like I said, they were sold out at other stores. Even Amazon couldn't even provide them to me. Told me 2 to 4 weeks. I'm like, forget that. And like, well, Summit has them. And shit, I go, Summit's here. Let's head to Summit. Never been here, so pretty cool experience. Will I come back down here? It's a long ways from where I'm at, but I mean, if I wanted to get some stuff and didn't want to wait, why not? But all right, let's head back to the house. Alright guys, more to add on to this video, probably the same video. We're going back to auto science to drop the car off to get the new brake pads installed because of this squeaking, as well as maybe get the car raised a little bit because it's rubbing a whole lot more, and alignment. So I feel like this thing was off just a tad, so we can get all that stuff done. Again, for you guys, it's been you know, a second. For me, it's been a little while between getting the rims put on, so we're gonna head out to drop this car off early before I have to go to work and get this stuff done. Alright guys, I'm at Auto Science again, so you guys understand we're installing the hub-centric rings in the rear. As you can see right there, hub-centric rings in the rear, and the Willwood, what I think you can see right here, you know, Willwood brake pads, and then probably an alignment. So I'm going to get that done. Just waiting for Auto Science to open up. That's a nice little Subaru right there. Wait for them to open up and then tell them what's up. As far as probably going to end up having to raise the car guys a little bit. I just can't handle the scraping, basically the tire scraping the fender well. Yeah, it's too much. With the old rims, it was scrape, but not as much as it does now. So I'm going to have to raise it up just like a little bit to counteract it. So it might still scrape, but not like every single baby bump. So we're gonna head in, drop this car off. Traffic is horrible. I get an Uber back. It's gonna cost me a lot of money to get back for Uber. Jeez, expensive. But yeah, let's get this done. I was trying to say 1 inch. Thank you to Auto Science. What we end up doing is just raising the car about 1 inch. It's about all we did. Everything else is fine. The squeaking was just surface rust. And so I want to thank Auto Science, because they're the ones who take care of this Honda as far as that's a bad, awesome Miata too, from a driver's perspective. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and focus on getting some food and heading to the house, and I'll show you the end results. Not bad, actually. Let's see how badly squilling. Hey guys, go raise the car like in 1 inch, no scraping. I'm cool with that, no scraping. So we're gonna move on to the next project. Get that rear diffuser. Probably put that in another video. This video is probably long enough, but definitely kept the brake pads. They were good. The rollers just need to be turned, and again, they're lifted about 1 inch. Still looks good.